Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to fix or paste this anti-dazzle water repelling film on the side mirror. So this is a cheap product, it's not that expensive and it actually does the trick. So for this project you need few things: a old bank card, a cloth, and you need a water bottle spray and glass cleaner. If your car was just washed, actually you don't need glass cleaner, but mine is a bit dirty, so I need to apply some glass cleaner. So let's get started. First step, cleaning with some glass cleaner. Now we are going to spray water on the mirror. Also on this cover. So in here they have marked one. First you need to remove this cover, and then we paste this side onto the mirror, and then remove the second cover. We need to spray water on that too. Now wrap your card around inside the cloth, and now just let the water go out of the way and give it a perfect fit. And then peel off the second cover as well. Now let's try this one out. You can see the difference. This area is not letting water stay, actually it slides. So that's it guys, hope this video was helpful, and if it's so, give us a like and share. Thank you very much.